Hey everybody, I'm Jeff Teague. Today I'm going to show you how to make your 2025 4Runner much brighter. And for today's demo, I've got a 2025 TRD Sport in Supersonic Red. It's supersonic. And the easy way I have to make your 4Runner brighter is with LasFit LED turn signals. This one right here is halogen. It's a TRD Sport, the SR5, TRD Sport, TRD Sport Premium, TRD Off-Road, and TRD Off-Road Premium. A lot of those configurations come with halogen bulbs for turn signals, just like this one here. We want to make it much brighter with the LasFit bulbs. Let's test them against the side of a building here. Halogen on the right, LasFit on the left. Here's what we're going to do in today's video. I'm going to show you how to install LasFit LED turn signals. They're very easy to install, 5-minute plug and play. I'm a novice and amateur. I'm not an installer. I'm not good at it, but how easy is it for somebody like me? I'm also going to discuss key benefits, why you would want to install them. They're actually quite reasonably priced as well. I'm gonna give you a discount code so that you'll be able to save money when you purchase your turn signals. And then we're gonna walk around the TRD Sport, show you key features inside, outside, so that you know what 4Runner is all about. The first benefit of using these LasFit bulbs, you get two options. So you can choose on their website. You've got the amber ones right here. And what that means is you're gonna have amber colored daytime running lights and amber turn signals. Or you can choose the switchback. That's this one right here. You can see that it's yellow and orange. I've used these before on other installations and they work great. But what that means is you'll get switchback, white LED daytime running lights, and amber turn signals. And these lights are really bright. 4,000 lumens per pair. These LasFit lights feature built-in canvas decoder. So that means it eliminates hyperflash and error codes. First thing you want to do, make sure that your 4Runner is switched off. Before we install, I do want to turn it back on and make sure that you can see the halogen brightness right here. That's stock on this TRD Sport and other trim levels. Let's get this hood up. It's really quite easy to do. Put this at its full height, and then we're going to be looking in this corner and this corner. So we're looking for the bulb. It's going to be right in here. We want to find the cable and turn it counterclockwise. This is our bulb right here. We'll just take this out, pop it out, and then replace this one. This is the amber one, so it's going to be all orange. That means it's going to have orange daytime running lights, the amber ones, and LED turn signals in orange. And these are polarity sensitive, which means if it doesn't work one way, you just pop it out and flip it the other way, and then it'll work. Put this one in and turn it clockwise. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what happens here. Oh yeah. Can you tell the difference already? As a matter of fact, let's compare right now. We've got the halogen one on the passenger side, and we're gonna go ahead and flip this to our flashers. Now, look at this difference right here, and this is just in low lighting. Look at it in the dark. Let's do a woods test. On the right, we've got the halogen bulb. On the left, whoa, LasFit. Let's test them against the side of a building here. Halogen on the right, LasFit on the left. And remember, that's the amber one, so that's the one that's gonna have the amber daytime running lights before you switch it to the amber turn signal. And for the passenger side, we're gonna put the switch back on. Remember, this is the one that's gonna be orange and yellow at the same time. 360-degree illumination. And as we get ready for this one here, let's talk about some key benefits of LasFit LED turn signals. Number one, 500%. Yeah, 500% brighter than traditional halogens, and they have softer output, which means that at nighttime, if you got them on, they're not going to blind oncoming traffic. People are going to be like, what's that light? No, it's a softer output, so they'll be just fine. As a matter of fact, they'll probably be thinking, look at that sweet 4Runner. Those lights are awesome. You'll also find 30,000 hours of life. So that means that they're gonna go a long time, many, many years for you, and they're not gonna have errors. They're gonna be error-free, avoiding that hyperflash. See that? I've got it on right now. You can see the turn signal active and no error messages. Passenger side installation is gonna be just a little bit different, an extra step here. We're gonna take out this piece. So we pop that out, pop that out, pop this one out, pop this one out, and pop that one out as well. This one's out, this one's out, this one, and yes, this one right here. This piece is gonna come out exposing the light. Turn it counterclockwise, and then we're gonna take out this bulb and switch it out for the switchback, which will be right here. Simply pop it in And we're gonna install it, turn it clockwise. Hey, look at this. We've got the amber one here, so it's gonna be the amber daytime running light. And we've got the switch back here, so it's gonna be the white daytime running light. And then we're gonna turn this over here so we can get our beautiful amber turn signal. And now you got a 4Runner that's looking bright, standing tall and proud. It's bold, an easy way to customize. And again, we've got them both on, no error messages. Remember, this can work for your 4Runner SR5, TRD Sport Premium, and the TRD Off-Road and Off-Road Premium. Since the Off-Road and the Off-Road Premium are available in iForce powertrain and iForce Max, they work for both iForce Max and iForce. Let's walk around the 4Runner TRD Sport. Of course, it was redesigned for 2025 model year. You'll find on the Sport that it's gonna have the gloss black hood scoop, big, bold styling, very aggressive. I remember when this was first introduced, the world premiere, it was in Hawaii. And when I went to see that, they had 4 different trims all presented there. This is the one that was most radically different from 2024. It was hot, it was sexy. It still looks great, especially in the supersonic red. So we've got LED headlights right here. This says 4Runner. Of course, we've got our last fit lights in here, but LED headlights, LED fog lights as well. Gloss black down there. This would be where you'd have either a panoramic view monitor or a multi-terrain monitor, but it's not one here. Toyota symbol, it's got radar technology and camera technology. The camera technology is going to be right up in here. Look in your windshield. You'll see it in most Toyotas now. That's for Toyota Safety Sense. This one is the most evolved one, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Keep walking around. We see front parking sensors, just like that. That means you'll find them on the back. We've got functional airflow that goes through here, which is very nice. And then these two-tone wheels, and they have the TRD cap on it. So that's pretty impressive. The size, that's going to be right up here. So it's 255, 55 R20, 20-inch wheels, body-colored fender treatments. Nice. Turn signal right here. The blind spot indicator is going to be right there. Blind spot monitor. There it is. That'll light up amber colored, just like your turn signal, just like your last fit lights. Excellent. It also has gloss black on the handles. This line right here means it has auto lock and unlock. That goes in conjunction with your smart key and your push button start. But just reach in here with your hand on it. Beep, beep. If you got the key anywhere within, I think it's 3 feet of that door, it's going to automatically unlock. And then it'll lock the same way as well. Look at these aggressive, bold lines here that go all the way across. TRD Sport written here, good visibility in the windows, and gloss black up here. If you notice, TRD Sport does not have a moonroof, but yes, you can get one on other trims. Absolutely. Coming around here, LED tail lights. Excellent. This is a power vertical window, so it rolls up, rolls down. Actually, it does it a lot quieter than that, but got to have some sound effects, don't we? It's got backup sensors, gloss black down here, matches the rest of the vibe of this one. 4Runner written out in black, and there's your spare tire, and it's 6,000 pound towing capacity. Has backup camera and a backup camera washer. Remember, the last generation tow capacity was 5,000 pounds, and it had been that way for many, many years, over a decade. In the back, we'll find tie downs, first aid kit. It's a great spot for a first aid kit. 400 watts of power. See the LED light. This is also a good spot to have things like your cup holders, your net. This could have 2 rows, or the SR5 Unlimited could have 3 rows. So just look out for that if you've got the need for it, the family size, then that would be a great option to have. Tie downs right here as well, the top tethers. Lots of storage room back here. You may need more cargo space, so what you'll want to do is tumble the seats forward, and you do that just like that. They tumble, and then that opens up some more space as well. You could lay those down flat. Maybe I'll want to do that. There. So we could choose which way we want to store, stack, and still have people space. Some other things I like, the fact that it's a charcoal seating, but it's two-tone. I like that this is firm with a lot of surface area. Decent size cup depth, which is nice. Child latches easy to get to, just like that. Ho! And we've got, 2 pouches. 2 kangaroo babies, 2 little roos would be really happy with that. 2 pouches. USB-Cs. We've got our, get that open, 400 watts of grounded power there. Excellent. Also, this is a great place to put your hand, but it's a greater place to put bottles. Nice grippy handle right here. This is the only soft touch on the back doors, and a little bit of lattice work here so that you can, well, put whatever you want in there. And then this is easy to get up into. Just grab it, go. I like that it has the O bleep handle right there for the driver. In the front, we see TRD on the door handle. Soft touch panel, that's not soft touch. This is grippier than in the back even. I like that a lot. Bottle, bottle, bottle. We could get 3 things across there. This is the most bodily. This is the second most bodily, and that's the third. Bodily harm. Just kidding. Air vents right here. This has the smallest size. You can upgrade to the bigger size, but this has the 8-inch screen. You could even go up to a 14-inch screen with Toyota Audio Multimedia. USB-C right here with a shelf. That is fantastic. And then, ho, look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go back to my room so we can do it all night and we can make it feel right. I had to sing that. Here's the seat. It's got medium bolstering right here. You all know that song. I know you do. This has a lot of surface area, so you could rest your arm here. Decent sized storage bin right here. Deep cups. I like that. Different drive modes and storage in here. You can find something to put there for sure. You could do wireless charging and room for a phone next to it or anything else. And then a hook to hang things. And over in this pocket, we've got TRD, bottle openings, more storage, and mirror and window adjustments. Excellent. Auto dimming rear view mirrors. That's kind of nice. Brightness of the dash. We can adjust the headlights. Sport pedals, as you'd expect. This one has the pump, but it also has lumbar support that comes out and retracts in just as easy. Nice chunky bolstering, so you fit nice and snug. Here's leather wrapped steering wheel with a horn. Excellent. Controls are easy to figure out, This is a 12.3-inch screen. We can go ahead and make adjustments on all 3 panels. Here, and you can make adjustments on your safety settings, which is fantastic, actually. That's really good. Meter settings, we can choose meter type. Do you want 2 gauges, 1 gauge, or no gauge? Do we want to have smart, casual, tough, or sporty? You can choose which one you want. Oh, let's go back, because I want to choose tough. And I want to choose smart. And I want to choose casual. We're just having a casual thing here. Drive modes. This is going to be sport, normal, and eco. We think we all know those modes by now, hopefully. This is digital. You can get faster acceleration. You can get better gas mileage or just normal driving. So it's single digit, but it is digital. And then we can do Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless, voice commands. We can go through our radio settings here. We can subscribe to Sirius XM and then listen in. Has the mirror right here and ooh, sunglass holder. This is for the back window. Love it. Love it. 2 different microphones. Great visibility in here, I think. It's really good. I recommend the new 4Runner to so many different kinds of people with the 2 different powertrains and lots of different trim levels. Got 9 of them. Slider right here. There's something for everybody. All different budget ranges, all different features. Either way, you should really like it. As far as pricing, there's a big giant 4Runner range. You'll see the first number being a 4, going all the way up pretty darn high when you get the Trail Hunter and the TRD Pro, but a big range across those 9 different trim levels, option packages, upgrades, features, no features. So you get to pick and choose your budget and your feature requests. This one right here would be just over $47,000 for a 2-wheel drive TRD Sport. If you want the, and then you have to add in delivery, which will be about $49-ish. And then you add in $2,000 more to get that part-time 4-wheel drive. Thanks for watching. Remember to try LasFit LED turn signals. 500% brighter than traditional halogens. You can choose the amber colored one or the switchback. I've got product links and I've got the discount code. You'll see that in the description and also in the first pinned comment. Thank you guys so much. I'm at Auto Jeff Reviews and Toyota Jeff Reviews, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Threads. And we'll see you soon. And if you're looking for more 4Runner content, be sure to click on my 4Runners playlist. I have so many videos dedicated to previous gens and also the current 6th gen. So happy watching. I've got other playlists broken down by Toyota model. So pick your favorite Toyota, and I'm glad you're here. Thanks for subscribing.